Did you know that most people in the UK waste thousands of pounds a year without even noticing? You might think you're smart with money, but chances are you're making the same mistakes as everyone else. And by the time you realize it, it's too late. But here's the good news. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's draining your bank account and how to fix it. Stay with me, because the last mistake is the most dangerous. Think about this. How many subscriptions do you have? Netflix? Spotify? Amazon Prime? Now, when was the last time you actually checked if you're using them? The average UK adult spends over £500 a year on unused subscriptions. That's a weekend trip to Paris. Gone. And that's just the beginning. What's the real cost of small purchases? Let's talk about the latte factor. A simple £3 coffee every morning seems harmless, but over a year, that's over £1,000. Small leaks sink big ships, and if you're not tracking your spending, you're in trouble. And here's where it gets even worse. Debt traps. Banks and credit card companies want you to overspend. They lure you in with interest-free deals, but before you know it, you're trapped in a cycle. Miss one payment, boom, 20% interest. And while you're struggling to pay it off, inflation is eating away at your savings. Wait, how do I stop this? Great question, and that's exactly what we're getting into next. Here's what smart people do differently. 1. Audit your expenses. Cut out the dead weight. Cancel useless subscriptions. 2. Set up automatic savings. Even £5 a day adds up to £1,800 a year. 3. Use your money to make money. The rich don't save, they invest. And here's the biggest secret. If your money isn't working for you, you're working for money. But what if I told you that even saving money won't make you wealthy? Because in the next video, I'm going to show you why traditional saving advice is broken and what to do instead. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it, and drop a comment. What's the biggest thing draining your bank account right now? Let's talk.